Windows 11 makes it easy to create and use multiple desktops. Using multiple desktops lets you organize your work by keeping separate desktops open for different tasks or projects. This can make it easier to switch between groups of apps without mixing unrelated work on the same desktop. To create a new desktop, click the Task View button in the taskbar. The Task View interface appears, showing thumbnails of the open windows on the current desktop. Below this is a desktop bar that displays your existing desktops and a New Desktop button. Click the New Desktop button to create a new desktop. New desktops are named sequentially, such as Desktop 1, Desktop 2, and so on. To switch between desktops, click the desired desktop in the desktop bar. You can then open and arrange different app windows on each desktop as desired. To rename a desktop, right-click the desktop in the desktop bar and select the Rename command. Then type a new name and press the Enter key to apply it. Each desktop shares the same underlying desktop environment. This means changes, such as adding shortcuts or changing the background, appear on all desktops, even though the open app windows remain unique to each one. To quickly switch between desktops, position your mouse pointer over the Task View button in the taskbar. A preview of your desktops appears, and you can click the desktop to which you want to switch. To close a desktop, click the Task View button in the taskbar to open the desktop bar. Then position the mouse pointer over the desktop you want to close, and click the Close button that appears in the upper right corner of its thumbnail. Any open apps on that desktop are then moved to another open desktop. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.